Hi friends, I hope you're having a great day. In this video, we're going to go over a payroll upload documents task. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and click Get for Free. Then we're going to go on to go to Firm Templates to review this task. I'm going to click Firm Templates, Task, and then we're going to go to Payroll Upload Documents. This is everything involved in this task. So you're going to see the name of the task and have your description. Then you're going to have it assigned to a role member. This is going to be your bookkeeper. Actually, we can assign this to the admin. They're going to be the ones that are going to check for the documents, making sure that everything has been uploaded. And then you're going to want to start it today and check it in 3 days. It gives them 3 days to check everything in the task, to make sure, or to check all the documents, make sure everything has been uploaded, request anything that needs to be uploaded that is missing. So we're going to go ahead and click Save and Exit. And now we're going to go assign this task and see what it looks like. So most of the time it's going to be part of your pipeline, but today we're going to assign it as a one-off task so we can see how it looks. So we're going to go click New, Task. We're going to assign it to our test account under My Name. We're going to go ahead and click our template, which is Payroll Upload Documents. You can see it's assigned to the admin, has our description, it's starting today, and is due in 3 days. We're going to go ahead and click Create. This is going to assign it to that account. Here you can see that task. And then once you click on it, it's going to show you what the task actually looks like once it's been assigned. Again, we have all that information. So we've got the client that it's assigned to. I was the admin assigned to the account. We have our description and our start date and due date. If you have any questions, you can please reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a wonderful day.